let me show you how to add your Noupe chatbot into your WordPress website. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Noupe. On this video, I'm going to show you how to add your chatbot into your WordPress website. So let's get started. Once you build your chatbot here in Noupe, go ahead and get started with the training phase, your customization, and then you're going to get your code. This is the code that we are going to need to embed it into our WordPress website. So let's go ahead and copy this code and let's go ahead and jump into our WordPress website. In this case, I am now located in my demo site where I'm going to add a Noupe chatbot. And what I'm going to do is show you how to add this in an individual page and how to add it into the entire website. So let's get started with the entire website. First, we're going to jump into Appearance. We're going to go to Theme File Editor. And what this is going to do, it's going to add the code into the whole site. So we have the Noupe chatbot available on the whole site. Let's scroll a bit down here and we're going to find the header. This is a header.php. So let's go ahead and select this file. Here we go. Let's scroll all the way down and let's go ahead and add our code all the way down here. Let's go ahead and update the file. Here we go. It's now been updated. Let's go into our demo site right now and it should load up Noupe right now. And here it is. We have our chatbot ready to go. You can see here, Noupe is super easy to add to your WordPress website. Now that's on the entire website. Let's go ahead and remove this and only add it into a specific page. Okay, so here we go. Let me go ahead and update this. I just removed it. Let's go into a post, for example. Let's go ahead and edit one of the posts. Let's go ahead and edit this one right here. And in the post, we're going to edit a HTML element. So let's scroll down here. Let's click on the plus button and I'm going to use custom HTML. Let's go ahead and add our code here. Let's go ahead and preview this right now. And let's see this change right now. And here it is. It is now embedded into this specific post. You can do this with the page too. For example, if I jump into a different page, it's not going to be visible because I've added this in an individual page. So you have two available options: add the code into the entire WordPress website, just like I showed you, or an individual page or post. So it's up to you how you want to add this. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know what you think about the Noupe integration with WordPress and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.